Hey guys, it's Arennnaa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to the Madman Festival, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. And I am attempting to cosplay. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have these ears that I brought a few years back. I want to say at either arennnaa or Madman Festival, but it's part of my costume. I have this choker that I DIY'd and this dress that I brought from the Universal store. If you can guess who I am, please do leave it in the description below. I feel like the ears kind of give it away, but she has long blonde hair and I have black hair that's not half as long as hers is. But I really just couldn't be soft wearing a wig, so that's why I didn't. Made it inside! You have got number 1 or something? I think I have 1 yeah. So tired. Waiting for her to leave. Wow! Bougie!
It's gonna be this or one of like the hentai figurines, you know?
Oh my god, get the hentai figurine, what do you mean? Easy choice, easy choice. Say hi, Peter. Wow.
Peter's here just for the cat girl.
All of those. Like my eyes are really watery right now, and I can feel like a cold coming on, and I really hope that I don't get a cold because I haven't gotten a cold all year, and that's like a first for me. I feel like normally throughout all of winter I'll be sick, and for like the first year in like 2 years I haven't had a cold, so I'm like, I really don't want to get sick. Ugh.